Euskal Herria Bildu, the Basque pro-independence left, want to welcome the historic announcement made today by Öcalan from the prison of Jarrai. We strongly support all efforts done by different actors in the pursuing of a peace scenario in Kurdistan. We believe that today's historic announcement is a big contribution in order to create a lasting peace scenario in Kurdistan. We also ask to every actor involved to respond in a positive way to this call and also to respond with responsibility and with ambition. Euskal Herria Bildu has always supported the Kurdish people in its struggle for freedom. Euskal Herria Bildu will continue to support the fight of the Kurdish people. We believe it is time for the rights of Kurdistan to be respected. We believe it is time for Öcalan to be released out of prison. Euskal Herria Bildu will always stand with the people of Kurdistan. Biji Kurdistan.